Hi friends, are you a citizen scientist? Maybe you found a mushroom and you don't know what it is? Well, great news. There's a Continental MycoBlitz. First thing you gotta do is print out some data slips. Print out some data slips. Print out some data slips. Next, take some photos of your mushroom within the prescribed dates and use an object for scale. Oh yeah, those look great. Next, get a pen and paper and fill out your form. What? This mushroom smells like goats and tastes like corn? Fill out all the information that you can apply. If you don't know the species, you can just write in fungi. Don't worry about this observation number. It's too early to tell. What? You found your mushroom in the parking lot of Taco Bell? Now excavate the mushroom, take one last photo of the mushroom with the paper, and then take it home and put it in your dehydrator. It needs to be bone dry. That's really important stuff. And they provide an extra tag, so there's no mushroom mix-ups. No mushroom mix-ups. No mushroom mix-ups. All right, that's most of the work. That's the first part of the equation. Now we need to get online, go on iNaturalist, and record our observation. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before you can do what's next. The next thing we're gonna do is go to projects and join the project. Next, upload your photos, your info, and your notes, and you'll get an observation number that you can put on your form right here where it goes. You need to have GPS data on when you take the pictures with your phone, but you can obscure the location so the public won't know. When your mushroom is thoroughly dry, put it in a Ziploc with the observation form and then put those in a sturdy box. If you're shipping multiple sample bags, please put them in numerical order. That's really gonna help out the mushroom recorder. Now all you have to do is just ship out your samples to the address at Mycolabs, and sometime in the spring, hopefully you'll find out what you had. The MycoBlitz could be a fun thing to do, and perhaps even you can find a species that's new. If you don't have time to participate in this MycoBlitz, there'll be more in the future. Don't worry. I'm Michael File. I'll see you next time on Mushroom Journeys.